So if you imagine you get removal for your interview and deny your residency for whatever reason, you feel me I say, and you never try get a lawyer. You never try get a lawyer. You dip on the removal status and you decide say, yo, watch out, you nah bother go to Jamaica. You nah go home, you stay in a people them country. You see me? And then you're out there and I live like say, you have your papers, my friend. Mad people action that. I get me I say mad people action, people. Guys, mad people action. So anybody who they for removal status, then put it for removal status, you have to do this. And the only thing you have to do is just to get a lawyer. Plain and straight, simple as that. Once they put it for removal and you say, yo, you have to go back to your country, people. If you go out there and run the street, get a lawyer if you put it go on, see what you can do in a people. Because most of the time, they put people for removal. And when they put them for removal, all them have to do is just get a lawyer. You see me I say, all them have to do is just get a lawyer. Once they get a lawyer, the lawyer sort out them thing, my friend. Yeah, believe me, lawyer sort out that. We're all in. I tell you, we know people we do that. Alright. For instance, people, this guy, him got a Jamaica. You see me I say, everybody tell him, say, yo, you think I got have problem, you know, my friend. You feel? You got have problem if you go to Jamaica. You're going to have problem if you go to Jamaica because you have a charge by your record. Even though a long time you have a charge by your record, the charge still sitting on your record, my friend. So you have a problem, and a man decide say, yo, he want to go to Jamaica and he not go to Jamaica much in years, and you know him a go down, they go enjoy himself and all these things. And we do, he go to Jamaica. What do you think happen? What do you think happen now? When time him a come from Jamaica now, immigration pull him out of Thailand. Yeah? They pull him out of Thailand and them have him in a building and them a try get him to sign the paper, to sign this paper here. To say, yo, this and that, and like to give up in rights. Give up in rights, but that show him an idiot, him never be an idiot. You see me? You see him probably hear AC blowing, I think, guys. Me there, I drive people and I don't have a talker phone. I do not have the talker phone, the microphone, and excuse me, so. And be here with me. Hold on, a pussy. You don't see, say, me done broke light already. Road night, no? Suck your mother, you don't see me broke light already, batty boy. Just suck out your mother, I want to your pussy. I'm brawling chops out there, so you know, my friend. Fuck, do you know? So me done people, me broke your bum buckler light, you know, my friend. And they hear talking, and even though say me broke your red light, you know. You man a run the car like you are running on my blood clot car, my friend. Yeah. Why they bum buckler this? You must feel like I want cloud, you should have running it. You see me? Running it. Like bum buckler to red. Excuse my language, people. You think serious in the streets. Anyway, so guys, when I say now, a person that then pull him over in an immigration line. You see me? They pull him over in an immigration line. A barber shop may come from. The girls, them nice outside too. You know, I wonder if you can see them. What? Yeah. So they pull him over in an immigration line, my friend. I tell you now. Let me see if that's a little thing. The camera probably not so clean. Yes. The third light also. We're rolling outside, guys. Just rolling. We're just rolling right now. The VB say we're rolling. So as I said, they pull him over in an immigration line, people. When they pull him over in an immigration line, they have him in a room. I tell him, say, yo, sign this waiver, sign this thing. You feel me? I say, you give up your right. So basically, they would have just take away your thing right there. So you feel me? I say, and put you in a removal status automatically right at the airport. So when him do know people, when they tell him to sign anything, him decide say, nah, sign nothing, nah, sign nothing. You feel me? I say, nah, sign nothing. You feel me? And stand up on that. And you know what they do to him? Them parole him in the country. You feel me? Them parole him in the country. They never give him back in the country, let him back in the country as a regular residency, you know, my friend. Them parole that out in the country. So when they parole him out in the country now, people, what do you think happen? Man? You think we put him have to go fight in case, him have to go to court now, immigration court, and all these things him have to go. Immigration court and some style. So when man go do people, good thing man they have a little piece of money. You see me? The man say so now one boom and get a lawyer, my friend. Yeah? Get a lawyer. And once him get a lawyer, people him put in the work. If he me I say I make a lawyer put in the work. And you don't know say man go on and the judge dash out in case. You see me I say dash out in case. So a whole heap of them immigration that them a do with people. When they come from Jamaica, them a try to take away your green card if you have a little simple charge or a little shoplifting, a little misdemeanor and all these things. And I drive up on a blow car, no man, I want to, no man. You see me? Them try to take away all of that from you. Yeah? So when they try to take away all of that from you right at airport now, you don't have no option. Fi bombard sitting there. Big man move and walk up cause street, man, bombard. You don't have the option to go to no court. So what him do now, him decide say you must be bombard, man. Me I got court with this thing, my friend. You see it? Man got court. Brawling him got court. Brawling him got court. I've been for him case. You see it? And him back in the street and now. You see me? So right now, probably when I go to Jamaica and all them things there, or if I travel out of the country and some style, you know. You see me? He might pop up and say and them little thing there. You see me? Yeah, but all I have to do, I just once the judge put out that him get his citizenship. You see it? But I saw this a man move people. This a one you know. You feel me? No say him the pan removal status. You see me? And out in our country and him not decide say him again a lawyer, you know. Man, that's how they are living blood clot life. And I move round. Like them young people in the country. Go on pan black and hang out and do all type of thing. And I do all type of craziness. You see me? I forgot say yo, you don't not straight. You leave out there hustle and all them things, they still a partying. And still a live a whole life like say you forgot say you on immigration removal. You feel me? I say people, anybody will go for immigration removal, guys. The best thing for you to do is to get a lawyer. Yeah. The best thing for you to do is to get a lawyer. Maybe a lawyer can help your case, maybe not, but you are going to find out. You feel me? I say you are going to stay up there. Like, excuse me, like how you want there in America so much. You want there in America so much. Then put up a immigration removal and you decide say yo, that was not fair. You believe in yourself, say yo, you know something off with that. You feel me? I say so all you have to do is just get a lawyer and just fight the case, my friend. I get to me, I say get a lawyer. Move out a bomber to you know man, cause I do like couldn't have sense. Yeah, get a lawyer and fight the case if you're willing to, if you plan to stay in our country. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Maybe a lawyer can help you. Jesus Christ, I'm coming out of traffic down here. Yeah, maybe a lawyer can help you, my friend. You see it? But if you not get a lawyer right now, as what them are going on with America people, once they put you on removal right now, they have this app, me I tell you. What app name? Think you have to pay for it still, you know. Something on that clear face, something on that. Me see it on line where immigration them I use. And me go upon the people. You feel me? I say, I want to put in a picture in that. And then start, you know, see it a scan your face, so brrrr, and it a come up back with the information. Yes, it a tell you if you're a resident. Or something people, or you're illegal in our country, me I tell you, but forget them information they have to pay. But remember, government no business, them thing they free for them. You have to pay for it. Yeah. So I tell you now people, thus the reason why I come over here and start talk about these people, a lot of people I get removal status and I do some things and I get deported. And a lot of people come from whatever country, and not even have to say Jamaica. They might travel from whatever country, they might travel with them look a felony on their record, and they might get caught, and they might get signed paper at airport, and they might get deported. So now guys, remember, you have a power and the strength to get a liar. You feel me? I say, use the head get a liar. Feel me? If you can't afford for a liar, well, me can't put up with that. See? And if you know about the money them on the over there waste and a squander. A squander and look of freckles and all these things. Is it? You could have go get a, you could have work up and get a liar, cause trust me, believe it or not, they will catch you one day. You feel me? I say one day they might catch you. One day they might catch you, my friend. Yeah. So take my foolish advice. Get a liar, or if they put in a removal status, you have to just lock in. You can't go outside, you can't go nowhere. You have to just stay in your house. Yeah, you have to just stay in your house, people. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, and big up for the safe forward out there. Just a reason Friday. Today just a reason day. You feel me? I say, cause basically you know see title. Anybody who depart immigration removal status do this. And the only thing me can tell you if you do, you feel me? I say it's just to get a liar. That's the only thing me can tell you if you do, get a liar, my friend. Is it? That's the only do this you can do. You can't do nothing else but get a liar. What the bomber to not pluck up in a line, so? You see me? I say, get a liar. That's the only thing me can tell you if you do. Get a liar, broski, get a liar. A liar, no. Yeah. So viewers and subscribers, I'm gonna big up for yourself. I'm outside, it's Friday. I'm driving around. I went to the barber shop. You feel me? I say get me look a haircut and so style. Yeah, I'm going to the Skybox to pick up some products. You know? And I'm just outside. Driving around. Enjoying life. You get to know that God has given to offer. Now these things. The ladies, I'm outside too, you know, people. You know, a lot of people outside right now. But I just go fix the back window up on my car and then now go down again. Feel like I need to go back to bamboo, you know. Yeah, I feel like I need to go back out this again, but tomorrow I go back out there. Yeah, the window now go down, guys. One I go down and one now go down. Man. So people, big up for yourself, you know. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. We outside here, I go and do my little thing. You see me? So remember what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to get a liar before you do no stupidness. You see me? Because so someone feel like say, oh, then put me for removal, man, and you know what I say right now, I need to have to study. If you go back to Jamaica, them not catch me. I'm going on a different state, America big, and I can't go around so go do this. And I can't go around so go do that without get caught. No, sir. And I say you hurt, my friend. They will catch you. Believe it. Believe me, dog. You see me? Oh, guys are nice outside. They will get caught. Is it? Yeah, so big up on the badness in our place, man. And plus me I make plus me I go and look outside, you see it? Yeah, me I make the see what I go on the streets look a bit. Yeah, outside. Sometimes I have to carry on to some different place go make drive around a little bit sometimes. Sometimes you know, I don't feel like say carry those park one place like you carry now moving on a battery. But I feel like say carry on a battery, so this side, so if you jump out this side, jump out outside now. Cause I know I have battery in the car and I have gas in the tank, but I just do not go anywhere. I sit at the same place in my driveway and tell these stories. So but sometimes I feel like you guys want a little interaction, a little reaction and all these things outside. So we outside, the VB I say, yeah, we outside my friend. Brawling chaps on the calling up. Getting some wonderful contents for you guys. So big up all the lovely people them, you know. Big up everybody who was streaming live and all these things. Big up yourself. Love and love alone. See you on the next one.